Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to scan documents to PDF on your iPhone. First, open the Notes app, which is pre-installed on every iPhone. Once inside, you can either create a brand new note or select an existing one where you'd like to add your scan. Look for the small camera icon, usually located above the keyboard or at the bottom of the screen, and tap it. From the options that appear, choose Scan Documents to begin the process. It's a straightforward way to digitize your papers. Now, position your iPhone directly over the document you wish to scan. The Notes app is quite smart. It will automatically detect the edges of your document and capture the image for you. You'll see a yellow box appear around the document as it recognizes it. If the automatic capture isn't quite right, or if you prefer more control, simply tap the shutter button manually. After the scan, you can easily drag the corners to fine-tune the selection, ensuring a perfect crop every time. Once your document is scanned, you have a couple of options. If you have more pages to add to the same document, simply tap Keep Scan and continue scanning. When you're completely finished, tap Save. Before saving, you can also make quick edits like cropping the image, rotating it if it's sideways, or applying different filters to enhance readability. Your scan document is then saved as a high-quality PDF file directly within that note, ready for your next steps. Finally, sharing your newly created PDF is incredibly simple. Just open the note containing your scan document. You'll see the PDF embedded right there. To share it, tap the Share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. From there, you can choose to send it via email, message, or even save it to your Files app or other cloud storage services. It's a quick and efficient way to distribute your digital documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.